welcome one and all to the grand launch of the Global Celebrity League. It was His Excellency Sheikh Saud Abdullah Al Thani, the member of the royal family. Our condolences to his bereaved family and friends. May I all please request you all to stand up.
Okay, okay. Oh, wait. Yes.
Tamamen sebep bu. Wait.
मेरा भी एक ले लेना प्लीज
इन्होंने कहा कि हमारे अंकल जो थे रणजी ट्रॉफी टीम के कैप्टन थे एक्चुअली वो रणजी नहीं वो होलकर कॉलेज टीम के कैप्टन थे आई थिंक नहीं होलकर कॉलेज टीम के कैप्टन थे रणजी ट्रॉफी टीम के कैप्टन नहीं थे तो must have mistakenly said that.
So, जैसे कि आप यही बोल रहे थे कि सुहेल ने सब कुछ कह दिया. You might not remember, but I'll remind you of this, interaction that we had long back when you were playing the Friendship Cup, and I asked you a question, and then you went on because you love cricket so much. Then मेरे producers मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, so I had a set of questions prepared for you. Then my producers kept on telling me that Shivani, no more questions because he has answered everything in your one question. But yeah, that's his love for cricket. Neha, coming back to you, please tell us what.
Thank the franchisees, Mr. Sumit and Mr. Atul. Thank you very much for having us over here and making us a part of it. It's really exciting. We love the game, and like I said, no better opportunity to be, for a league like this. It's fantastic. Thank you so much.
And also, while you were talking and you were telling the audience.
Sports, we also already spoke about sports and how sports is so important to all of us. Yeah. I feel the passion, the dedication, the discipline that these guys have, I really look up to. And I'm in such fine company today, even on the stage, with these lovely men and all the cricketers here, both from India and Pakistan. I mean, it's an honor to be here with all these glorious men. As women, I don't think I can play, but of course cheer for them and support them through the game because I think the concept's so interesting where you have actual cricket players and then you have celebrities who are good at cricket. Yes. So, it's going to be a fun match and I will be supporting both of them.
So, cricket. And since you were talking about it's cricketers versus celebrities as well, and they were almost, the same in our country, especially. We have Wahab as well from Pakistan. Wahab, tell us about this concept, I'm sure that you are playing this kind of league for the first time.
It is very exciting for me to be very honest, being part of this league and playing with the celebrities. Always watched Arbaz by India and Sohail by on the TV. Followed Indian Bollywood a lot. Have played a lot with Shekhar as well, but it is always very exciting to be very honest when it always comes about Pakistan and India. It's not about, to be very honest, about the fight, it's about the reuniting, it reunites you and that makes you so much, feel good that you are playing among all these players and obviously it's going to, I don't know how competitive it will be, but it will be a lot of fun, I can say.
Yes. From you, I would like to ask about your association with the Global Celebrity League. Today you look very serious, by the way. Please tell us about what's going on behind this look first.
Take a back.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, congratulations to RFI for organizing such an amazing league and making us part of it. Also, मेरे कोटे का तो मेरे भाई ने बोल दिया काफी
एक बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ आए बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ यहाँ पे भी
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ क्योंकि जो मुझे बोलना था इन्होंने बोल दिया. Nevertheless, like I said, that we are very excited to be part of this thing and sports cricket is like a religion in our countries, and everybody just loves it. So being a part of it is wonderful.
Sorry, I'll just take one moment. I remember when we were children,
we were playing a match together, and I was Arbaz Bhai's runner, and by mistake I got him run out. He didn't talk to me for 1 week because I got him run out. So yeah, so I mean, so we come from a suburb in Bombay called Bandra, and we basically known as Bandra boys who have been playing street cricket, and so my actually ये शुरू हुआ हमारे वाले साहब से. My चाचा was the captain of the Madhya Pradesh Ranji Trophy team, and dad was selected for the Madhya Pradesh Ranji Trophy team, but he couldn't play. So it was his dream that one of his children play cricket on a professional level. That's why actually when we became actors, we had this opportunity when Vishnu offered us to play CCL, and that's why we took it on. But I think that mashallah, from CCL we have graduated to this wonderful global league, and it will bring all of us together. So I was just wanted to share this anecdote with how passionate we are regarding cricket. I hope I'm not his runner again, or I'm not on the field with him again, because at this age to fight on the field would be a little embarrassing.
पर आपने जो ये किस्सा शेयर किया है, इसकी वजह से तो हमें लगता है कि हमें आप दोनों को अलग अलग टीम में डालना चाहिए फिर.
एक टीम में रह के भी हम लोग अलग ही होने वाले हैं. अभी भी
It's
देखो.
gonna be fun. I'm already excited. And I have Neha also that.
Is something that you win and you lose, and you should be able to handle both of them, and that is the right way of living your life. So thank you very much for having us, and we shall have a great time. Thank you everyone for being here, and जब आप लोग स्टेज पे थे तो आप में किसी ने कहा कि ये मैसेज 6 साल बड़ा है, और तो ये मैसेज 6 साल छोटा है. तो अगर ये 6 साल बड़ा है तो 6 साल छोटा ही होगा, 8 साल छोटा तो नहीं हो सकता. But yeah, it's lovely to be here, and have lots of fun, and it's always जैसे कि she's always harping on the whole India-Pakistan, but yes, there is a love story between India and Pakistan, which is a very beautiful story that should be told actually on cricket grounds and on playgrounds instead of I think borders. And sports is one thing, sports music is one thing that takes away all these problems, and we playing together, mashallah, we are going to enjoy ourselves. I think the cricketers are extremely humble to call us celebrities and themselves cricketers, because I think that today every cricketer is as big or a bigger star than a celebrity. So thank you very much for having us a part of this league. As children, it has been a dream to we used to play gully cricket. And today we have the opportunity, thanks to this beautiful event, that we get to play in big stadiums and play with people like my friend Shikhar Dhawan, play besides them, pad up with them, face their bowling, Imran Bhai and everyone. It's a pleasure. So as you can just see me gleaming, and it's all excitement. So we are looking forward, and thank you very much for the Qatar government to host this, to get all these countries together and all the players from these countries together, to get the celebrities from these countries together.
जिसके लिए सब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं, यूएसपी भी है ये इस लीग का, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप बताएं कि आप कितना एक्साइटेड हैं इंडिया को फेस करने के लिए, पुरानी मेमोरीज ताज़ा करने के लिए.
आज एक दोबारा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, दोबारा एक जवानी की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि दोबारा जवान हो जाए, और सारे जितने भी colleagues हैं, because we played a lot of cricket against each other. Shikhar is there, he is one of the best opener player. I think opposition as a opener, one of the best player था ये, और काफ़ी अर्से बाद दोबारा ग्राउंड में मिलेंगे, दोबारा हम जवान होंगे, and कोशिश करेंगे कि जो क्राउड है, जो लोग हैं, जो क्रिकेट से प्यार करते हैं, उनको एंटरटेन कर सकें।
अच्छा, इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स में से सबसे ज्यादा दोस्ती किसके साथ है आपकी?
दोस्ती सबके साथ ही होती है जब आप खेलते हैं। जब हमारे टाइम में था तो यूवी, बज्जी, ज़हीर खान, जडेजा, तो ये सारों के साथ दोस्ती नहीं कर सकते। ये 3-4 लोग थे जो क्योंकि हम साथ मैच के बाद खाना खाते थे या बाहर निकलते थे, उस चीज़ को बहुत मिस करता हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, मुझे याद है आपने पहला 100 सचिन तेंदुलकर के बैट से मारा था। उस मेमोरी के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा आप शेयर कर दें।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत मेमोरी थी जी। सचिन क्योंकि मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट प्लेयर रह चुका है और उसी के बैट से जाके 100 करना मेरे लिए बड़ी ऑनर की बात थी। और वो बैट आज तक मेरे पास है, बल्कि मैं जहाँ बैठा हूँ वहीं पे रखा हुआ है, मेरे पास ही रखा हुआ है। तो वो एक सारी जिंदगी की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेमोरी।
इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान की जब हम बात करते हैं ना, तो बिगेस्ट राइवलरी तो आता है, लेकिन प्यार भी बहुत ज़्यादा है सभी के बीच में। अच्छा, प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा अगर आप ये शेयर करें कि कौन ऐसा क्रिकेटर था जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्लेजिंग करता था? आपकी टीम में से भी बता दीजिए और सामने वाली टीम में से भी बता दीजिए।
अच्छा, आपने गलत आदमी से सवाल पूछा है। देखिए, चलता रहता है, होता रहता था, लेकिन ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ग्राउंड में क्योंकि ज़ाहिर बात है इंडिया के प्लेयर्स वो चाहेंगे कि वो जीते हैं, हमारी कोशिश होती थी कि हम जीते। हम लोग थोड़े से यंग प्लेयर आए थे, हम काफ़ी एग्रेसिव थे, हमारी नेचर में थोड़ा एग्रेशन ज़्यादा था, खासतौर पर जब बंदा पठान हो, वो तो आपको पता है फिर। तो आई मीन के दोनों टीम से ही होता था। क्रिकेट अच्छी होती थी, लेकिन ऑफ द फील्ड बिकॉज वी आर एम्बेसडर्स अपने अपने मुल्क के लिए, तो हम ऑफ द फील्ड कोई क्रिकेट पे बात नहीं, गपशप लगाते थे, अच्छा खाना खाते थे साथ, बहुत इंजॉय किया हमने, काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम गुजारा है।
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Please tell us about your excitement to be a part of this league. I know you were about to be present here, but unfortunately, you're not here, but we're missing you already. Please tell us about your thoughts about the Global Celebrity League.
Well, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening everyone. It's an honor for me to be a brand ambassador of this league. I want to congratulate Qatar government to bringing all these celebrities and
Don't worry, brother, don't show me.
will be in Qatar, Doha to play a good series and I'm very sorry for I didn't come today and I miss this beautiful evening, especially friends of mine, Suhail, Arbaz is here, Shekhar is here, Imran Nazir is here. So inshallah boys, I will join you soon.
डिफेंस खेला नहीं, मुझे डिफेंस स्ट्रोक आता ही नहीं है, मतलब मुझे सिर्फ बल्ला घुमाने आता है, तो वो मेरा स्ट्रेंथ है। और जितना फास्ट आता है बॉल उतना वेरी बेटर है।
ये तो मेरा अपने मतलब के भाई हुए ना।
इमरान का भी ऐसे ही था अपना, और क्या कहते हैं T10 है, तो मान लें यही सबसे जरूरी चीज़ चाहिए। और बिल्कुल सोहेल भाई बिल्कुल डोमिनेट करेंगे,
डोमिनेट करने वाले हैं, एकदम फायर के साथ ये लोग परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं। देखो, इन्होंने तो अपनी प्लानिंग बता दी, यहाँ देखो अभी से वो इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान हो चुका है। ये कहते हैं कि हमने अपनी प्लानिंग नहीं बता।
देखिए, प्लानिंग जब मैच से पहले जो हमने की है वो थोड़ी बताएंगे अभी। हाँ, बीच में ये चीज़ है कि सेलिब्रेट, और जिस तरह सेहबे ने कहा कि क्रिकेटर्स के बीच में किस तरह मूव आउट करना है, वो सारी बात है, वो तो स्ट्रेटेजी होनी चाहिए। और एक वीक ये पहले बल्कि हम 10 डेज पहले मिले थे और हम लोग ये चीज़ों पर वर्कआउट करेंगे। और बेसिकली तो टूर्नामेंट हिट होना चाहिए और क्रिकेट तो डेफिनेटली अच्छी होगी, लेकिन हमारा एक मेन मिशन है कि हम लोग सेलिब्रिटी लीग को जो है वो अपग्रेड करें और आने वाले टाइम पे जो डिफरेंट जगह पे लेटेस्ट लीग होनी है इंशाल्लाह हम उसको डेफिनेटली ऊपर लेके जाएंगे।